Welcome to Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business. We're doing a special holiday segment with a special holiday drink. We've had some special guests and special hosts who allowed us to use their bar for the night, so we're going to make a drink. Jasmine, what you making today?
I'm going to make the showstopper, but I'm going to just call it the show. I got this. First, I'm using the Righteous Seven Liqueur.
Now,
so we're going to use this right here, and it tastes pretty good.
Dan from Righteous Seven sent us these bottles, right?
Yeah.
And, you know, I've tasted it on my own. I like it, you know what I'm saying? It gives it like a little liqueur chocolatey flavor, you know, and it's really good to mix. So let's see what Jasmine's going to do with this, because I'm really interested to see what it's going to be like in a mixed drink.
Yeah, I actually got this off of the Righteous Seven Instagram page, but I sort of took one of the ingredients out, the jalapeno, so I'm going to just call it the show. So I'm doing my long thing here, but minus the jalapeno.
Okay.
So what we have is, first we're going to get some ice in our cup.
And Jasmine, you said you got this off the Righteous Road Instagram.
Yes.
Okay.
The Righteous Road Instagram.
Okay.
So we have their liqueur. We have some Rosado 1800 tequila. This is some blackberry flavored liqueur. And we're also going to use...
Let's say brandy, Jazz.
Okay, brandy, but blackberry flavored brandy, but it's like a liqueur. It just tastes like blackberry.
She's trying to get me jacked up.
Like
all this is liquor.
It's just blackberry. Or instead, I use this because at the time, I couldn't find any blackberry syrup, so this will do the trick. It tastes just as good, John.
So we went from syrup to brandy.
It's going to be good.
Okay. Well, talk to me.
So
talk to me.
Talking to you, all right. So what we're going to do is put 1.5 ounces of the tequila.
You know, I need an extra ounce.
You know,
back in the day, you can get the ounce for 60 to 65.
Now you're going to drink this and you're like, did you say you got to go to bed early tonight?
I didn't say that. I said I got a lot of work to do. I need to go to bed.
All right.
If somebody want to give me more money, then I can stay up later, you know.
You're going to be wishing I just put 1.5 because this is going to do the trick right here.
Okay, yeah. Let's go ahead and do it.
All right, so we're going
It's righteous, though.
1 ounce.
So if something happens, I end up in heaven.
And now I'm going to just use 1/2 ounce of the liqueur.
Okay.
The blackberry.
Okay. Because I tasted that off camera. It kind of tastes like a dime tap. 5 minute.
Oh yeah, that medicine you took when you had a cold or a fever. And right now I'm squeezing 1/2 lime in a shaker.
Okay.
Squeeze this thing up right like that. All right. I'm gonna shake this up. All right. Strain it all across it.
Okay.
You can do a double strain with this and make it very, very fine. Actually, I probably should have added a little bit more.
No, that's cool.
To this.
That looks good. It looks totally different from everything that's in those bottles.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's pretty cool.
Then you get your little lime wedge. Put it inside of your glass. Try that out, John.
Let's see what we're talking about here.
You don't like it.
Yeah.
You put a little extra
That's
tequila
different.
in it.
That's real different. Like I've never tasted anything that tastes anything quite like this. You can taste the blackberry notes.
Mm-hmm.
You can taste everything that's in the Righteous Seven, the pomegranate,
Yeah.
the lime juice. Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty 30%. So
I like
pretty
that.
high for a liqueur, but it is good.
Now, Jasmine,
Yes.
everybody has been ordering all kind of crazy stuff from me for the holidays, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I got some lasagna here. 6 cheese lasagna.
6 cheese.
Yeah, and I got some lemon pepper. I created my own little lemon pepper recipe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna have to keep watching to find it. But, you know, I think that these are things that soak up all this alcohol.
You got some garlic in there.
Of course. Yeah, you got to have garlic when you do pasta. I mean, that's a must. Yeah.
That's really good.
But what do you want to tell the people for the holidays? You know, this is the end of our season, guys. You know, we'll be back. You know, but this is our last episode. So
thanks for watching. We appreciate y'all's support. It was great. We had fun.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. It was a great time. We definitely enjoyed it. Thank you, Taste on TV. Thank you, Terrence. Thank you, Bat. thank everybody who have really allowed us to have this opportunity to do what we're doing and love to do what we love to do and make good food and drinks and have fun and trip out. Hope you enjoyed it. If you missed anything, follow at Eat and Drink TV on Instagram and Facebook. And where can they find you, Jazz?
You can find me at Call on Jazz on Instagram.
Okay, and you can find me just watch the show, and because my Instagram name is too long. Yeah. But just follow at Eat Drink TV.
You can change that to Chef J Mills. He gonna change
like
it to
Ty
Chef
now.
J Mills.
Now you sound like Ty.
He gonna change it to Chef J Mills.
And if y'all see her basketball segment, then pray for my co-host.
Hopefully you have got some information and some recipes that you can take along with you and actually try them at home.
Most definitely. So thank y'all for tuning in. Keep tuning in. Tell somebody, tell a friend, tell a neighbor. We're going to keep on grinding it out. So thank y'all. Eat, drink, and handle your business. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. All of that.
Happy New Year. And try some of this.
Righteous Seven.
Righteous Seven.